Hello friends, welcome you all in T3P. On today, day 22, we are going to simplify AI in technical terms. So imagine you have a robot that can learn and solve problems for you just like a human being. So it's kind of a AI nowadays. So it's about creating machine. Okay, we can create machine that can think and act like human but without the need for emotions or feelings. So this is how we can tell this system is AI system. So think of this AI is a super smart tool for us that can help us to do things faster, better in a way we never thought possible. Okay, so that's how we can define AI in simple terms. So there are key components as well. So if we talk about the components of AI that help us to make this a smart tool, those are algorithms, data that we inject, then the computing power that it uses to perform the task, and some sensor based on that it detects the feelings and other aspects. So if we talk about what exactly the AI algorithm is, these are like recipes that tells the AI how to learn and solve the problem. So this learn and solve the problem. It will be done through algorithm. If we talk about data, it's kind of a fuel for the system that powers AI. If we talk about computing power, that is needful, or we can say need for powerful systems to process all the data that we inject and run these algorithms which we measure. And sensors are like eyes and ears of any AI tool that helps to understand the world around it. So these are the four key components we are having. If we want to keep these all things together, then data is collected, then algorithm process the data, and the AI makes the decision. So how it works? First, the data will be collected. On based on this data, algorithm process this data. Okay, then the based on this AI system take the decision. So this is how we can define all together what exactly the AI. So these are the four key components of AI that makes the AI system, and this is how we can put it all together. So where we can use it in real time, right? So we can use it for face recognition, we can use it for self-driving cars, we can use it for chatbots like ChatGPT, and we can also use it for voice assistant. So there are many ways through which we can use these AI systems is. So and these are the things which we can summarize AI in very simple way. Now let's understand the key technologies behind the AI system. So when we talk about the key technologies behind the AI system, there are three things comes into picture. First is machine learning, deep learning, and the natural language processing. And how these all are related. If we talk about the AI is a broad field. Okay, so this is how AI is, and machine learning is the subset of this. And when we are talking about DL, that is the subset of ML, but indirectly these all are related to AI, where AI is the broader picture, or we can say broad area in this latest technology. Now let's understand what exactly the machine learning is. Okay, so the machine learning uh, is a subfield of AI that focus on algorithms. So it focus on algorithms that learn from data without being programmed. So we don't program anything this like this way. You need to learn, but it use algorithm to learn from the data. So what is the purpose of this machine learning? The purpose of this machine learning to automate tasks that are traditionally done by human being and improve over the time whenever you get more data. So right now when we made any model in AI, first we provide some data through which it learns, but after that once model is trained and published, then it will generate more data and learn from that. If we inject more data, it will learn from that. That's how the AI tools work. If we talk about the real-time use cases, it can be used for fraud detection, spam filtering, image recognition, and speech recognition. This is the use cases we can say for machine learning. So let me mention here. It can be used for fraud detection, spam filtering, image recognition, and speech recognition. So these are the primary use cases of machine learning. Now we will talk about the deep learning. So what exactly the deep learning is? Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that I mentioned that uses artificial neural networks. Okay. What it uses? Artificial. Sorry, this pen is not working well today. So, neural network. Why it uses artificial neural network? To learn from data. So what is the primary purpose of using deep learning? So deep learning actually allow machines to learn from complex and unstructured data such as images, text, and audio. So the thing is, it can learn from complex data and also learn from complex patterns, which can use images, text, and audios. These are kind of data it can use to learn from it. Now I would like to erase little bit from here so I can define this natural language processing. But before diving into that one, let's understand the use cases. We can use deep learning for image captioning. We can use it for machine translation, chatbots, medical diagnosis, self-driving car. We can use it because it's a subfield of this one. But to learn from data, we can use deep learning. To build a model, we can use machine language processing. What exactly the natural language processing do? So NLP is a subfield of AI that deals with the interaction between computers and human languages. Computer language is different, human language is different, but NLP help us to come interact between both. The purpose of NLP to enable computers to understand human language and generate response that human can understand. So that's why NLP is very important to interact between computers and human. It can use for but it can behave as a virtual assistant, VA. Right now many websites using it to assist their customers. It can be used for text summarization. It can be used to sentiment analysis. Right now most of the website using AI tools to get the feedbacks, and based on that feedback that can understand that it is useful, positive feedback they are getting or negative feedback they are. Nowadays nobody is reading those feedbacks. It is put it into a system that uses AI to understand how the customer is behaving about the sites and all. It can also help to build a system that can answer any customer query. So it can be used for question answer system, and it can be used for machine translation, which can translate one language to another language. So this is very powerful tool in terms of AI. Right now, most of the use cases what we are seeing in the real world based on NLP. They are using NLP for that one. Wherever there is any interaction through the language, if we talk about deep learning, it is used for data analysis or mostly used in data science field where we need to understand complex pattern, complex data to predict future growth. And AI machine learning is to build the model based on data which we inject. So, in short, ML is a broader field that encompasses deep learning and NLP. And deep learning provides powerful algorithms that can be used in NLP tasks, and NLP focuses on understanding and manipulating human languages, which can be achieved using both machine learning and deep learning techniques. So, this is how we can define artificial intelligence in very short and technical. I hope you find this video helpful to understand AI. If you are looking for more such content, then don't forget to click on like button, share with your friends, and subscribe this channel for more learning resources. Till then, keep learning, keep signing.